Welcome folks, today a quick unboxing I just received in the mail. The brother of the JJRC mini drone. Another JJRC mini drone. Same packaging, same company, same case, same paperwork. This is a little E-Fly. Same reference book as this other JJRC here. Everything's exactly the same. The drone itself is slightly different. Same packaging, USBs, a couple of spare props, little mini screwdriver. Yeah, it tells you exactly the same stuff. The app is the same as the JJRC mini here, so that's all exactly the same. So just going to have a quick unbox here for you guys today. The case is slightly bigger with this drone here. The drone itself is slightly bigger as well. Again, differences between these two, not a great deal apart from the size. These are available at Banggood. I've got a link down below showing you all about them, specs and where to get them from, how much they are, etc. So check it out. Yeah, look, pretty much the same size. The props are exactly the same. Charging points are exactly the same. You will notice, just turn them both on, lighting is slightly different. So they both have rear reds, but this JJRC here has the white at the front, which this one doesn't. And you can see slightly bigger as well. As far as flight times go, not too sure. The arms are pretty robust looking little arms. They fold in as well. I'll do a video shortly. It's a bit windy today, so I can't take them both out for a field test. So just a quick unboxing, quick appetizer for you guys. Cameras look like they're the same cameras. I'm assuming they are the same cameras. So we'll get some specs going. I'll just buzz some specs on the screen here while we're chatting away here, rather than me rattling them all off and getting them wrong for you guys. So yeah, there you have it. A couple of handy JJRC drones. I've got some videos of this one flying. I haven't done this one yet, so as I said, I'm going to do a comparo with both of them, do some battery tests. Of course, non-removable batteries, all that hoo-ha. So just a quick unboxing. We're going to get moving because we have our selfie drone to repair, which I'm going to be doing next video. So I finally got my spare parts in from China. That's what I'm doing right now. So if you want to catch out, have a look at the next video. Otherwise folks, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for some more drone videos and a bit of hoo-ha, a bit of rubbish, a bit of laughter, a bit of crying. No worries. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye for now.